This short video will show you how to use Academic Search Complete at the Rebecca Crown Library. Academic Search Complete is a broad database that has articles covering a wide variety of subject areas. To access Academic Search Complete, start out on the Rebecca Crown Library homepage at dom.edu/library. Click on the Find a Database or Article tab. You can select Academic Search Complete from the drop-down list of databases and click Go. You can also click Databases A to Z in the top navigation bar, or the A to Z databases link below the drop-down list to see a full list of the library's databases with descriptions. You'll go to an alphabetical list of all of Rebecca Crown Library's databases. You can narrow this list down by subject, database type, or by vendor with the drop-down menus, or search for databases by keyword with the search box. Find Academic Search Complete and click the link. If you're off campus, you will be prompted to log in using your Dominican username, which is everything before the @ symbol in your school email address, and your password. If you're on campus, you'll go to the Advanced Search page. Use the search boxes at the top of the page to enter your search terms. You can combine multiple search terms by using the additional search bars. You can choose what type of search you'd like to do by using the terms in the drop-down menu. You have many options, including author, article title, or journal title. Using the All Text option will search for your keywords in the article's title, author, abstract, and full text if that's available. Let's do an All Text search for drunk driving. You can start narrowing your results here by using the Limits in the Search Options section of the page below the search boxes. For example, if you know you need scholarly articles for your assignment, you can check the Scholarly Peer-Reviewed Journals button. Once you've entered all your search criteria, click Search. You can continue to refine your results using the options on the left side of the search results page. You can change the date range of your results by entering the publication years or using the slider. Let's change our date range to the last 5 years. Using the other menus on the sidebar will narrow your results down even more. The results page lists all the articles that fit your search criteria. Each result gives you the citation information for the article, the subjects of the article, and if it's available in Academic Search Complete. Click on the article title to see more about the article or view the full text when it's available. You might want to check the full text box, but doing this will leave out many articles that are available in other databases at Rebecca Crown Library. Click the Find Full Text in Other Databases link to find the article somewhere else. Watch our video, Get Full Text Articles from Other Libraries, to find out how to get articles that aren't in any of our databases. Need more help finding articles at the library? You can chat, call, text, or email a librarian through the Rebecca Crown Library's homepage.